Ciao guys, I'm Food here. So as you can see probably from the title, I received a package. This one over here that is pretty big actually, from Nathie. To start, like, thank you Nathie, thank you so much. You didn't have to. They wanted to send me these and I have no idea what's inside. Judging by the sound, there is something. But judging from the box, if we have to guess what's inside, I would say, look at here. This is actually an important hint. This is AA drink, the super powerful drink for VR YouTubers. Because, well, you will know that Nathie is the biggest VR YouTuber, is also on the Guinness World Record for it. And how do you get to the Guinness World Record? Well, we have right now the secret, and there is this. AA drink responsibly. Actually, there's nothing written like that there, but high energy for all the kind of sports, because I'm sure that in VR you need a lot of energy to emulate all these sports. So if you are interested about what Nathie is drinking, well, probably now we know. I'm sorry, I gave it away, Nathie. But without further ado, because I'm super curious, let's open this box and let's discover what's inside, because I really can't wait for it. Okay, here we are. So as always, let's start taking out our cheese cutter with this light on it. Let's open this box. And there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so as you can see, what we have is a copy of Moss for PSVR. I don't actually have PSVR, but this game is awesome, guys. And probably I should take PSVR. A piece of probably one of the best VR games on the market right now. So Moss VR, thank you Nathie. And this is Melk milk certified. Oh, this is chocolate from the Netherlands. This is something that I have to try out in a second. No way. This is genius. It's a T-shape. And it's super good. What brand is this? No, sorry. Let me put it on the side a second. We have a Tyriel food chocolate, the official one actually. And then we have some cookies. That and it seems like the chocolate is super good. Oh my god, we gotta try though. I can see all the ingredients right now. Some other goodies. I think it's all product from the Netherlands. I've never been there, so I'm super happy about that. I love food, and so I'm gonna try all of these. So this one here, and then we have these mints, I think. Teardrop, Venco. So this is what Nathie eats. That's why he does YouTube, because he eats all this stuff and he's powerful enough to run the YouTube. This is good. Okay, I don't know if that was a good idea, because probably my teeth are now black. But we have other cookies and another type. They're called Stroop waffle. So the waffle from Netherlands. We're gonna try all of them. And the T-shirt from Chiaro. It's a little small for me, probably. But let's see if Heather can fit it. But I never tried it, but I'm super interested for that. It's to be a super nice game, like a puzzle game when you go around. It's very, very nice. And then we have this box, the VRJ, that is virtual reality docking system. Oh, this is nice. Let's see which one is that. And as you can see, every time my headset are just laying around, I have them just there. And I think this is for everything. So, whoa, oh, yeah, let's try it. Okay, so you have the stuff to mount it in the wall, and this is actually the dock where you can put your controller. Let me take them out from here. And da-da-da! Let me take the Oculus, so you can put the Oculus. How do you put the Oculus? Instruction! No, okay. And you put it like this. So you have, of course, you're not gonna have this, but you're gonna have the touch controllers here, and you put them inside, I guess like this. And here you have the international, and works for pretty much every headset. Actually, it holds it up over even in this position. Not that you're gonna use it in this position, but you know, that's the point. Where you have to attach it to the wall like this, and you have the stuff coming out. You just grab your VR headset, you slide it out from here, and then you are ready to go to get in the metaphor, and of course to take also your controller. Super nice. I saw these online, they're super freaking cool, and it's very well done. It's like plastic and wood, and Tyriel wood, used wood, of course. Horrible joke. And that was what was inside the package, guys. Thank you so much again to you, Nathie, and to you, David, because you didn't really have to. I really appreciate all this stuff, and actually this will be very nice over here to keep my headset. One of those, I have too many, so I can't really fit them all up here. But you have the same problem, I'm pretty sure. And I could do also a review about it. If you guys are interested, like to do something a little nicer with the nice panning with the camera and everything, would be very interesting. This is the VR-J, and it's pretty much an attachment where you can put like all your VR headset and controller on. So very nice and useful, because we know with the cables and stuff, the VR headset are always around in the wrong way. And yeah, thank you so much. If you come here in New York, my kitchen is always ready for some good Italian food. About the moss, I could do, if Nathie is fine with that, I could do a giveaway about it. So if you have the PS4, you can play moss. I already have moss, so it will be better, and for sure also Nathie will appreciate that, because it's not wasted, and we're bringing one of the best VR game and one of the cutest VR game to somebody else that can enjoy it and gets other people to VR as well. So that was all, guys. If you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more about VR and tech in general, and I see you guys in the next video. That's gonna be very soon with the Samsung Galaxy, the Samsung Odyssey Plus with the anti-screen door effect. It is such an interesting tech that we wanna for sure discover. Thank you so much again, Nathie. Thank you so much of all of you to watch the video, and I see you guys soon. Ciao!